YouTubers, Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. Yesterday on last night's show, I actually called it. I called it, and I called it. I don't want to be the guy that say, oh, you know, I brought up this, I brought up that. Yesterday on Trends in the Housing Market, you could watch it, I actually brought up the point where, twice, and I brought up the point also yesterday when I was in the store making a video, that they might put a halt to trading because there's going to be a huge sell-off in stocks. Now, what's happening? What's headline? Oh, and another thing. I said VIX was going to go up big time. Volatility. It's up big time. I said it was going to be over $30. It's at 33.56. I knew it. In hand, usually when VIX goes up, gold actually rallies with it, but gold is still sitting around the $16.47 mark. So here it is, guys. Trading halted on the TSX, citing order entry issue. Now, what is order entry issue? Order entry, an order entry is an action needed to record customers' order into company's order handling system. Once this information has been entered, it is typically reclassified internally as a sales order. The order entry function is usually the responsibility of the sales and marketing function. So what's happening on this end with the stock exchange is supposed to handle orders. But what is happening? TMX is investigating an order entry problem on its exchanges. A technical halt has been declared on the TSX, TSXV, TSX Alpha, said TMX in a statement posted in Twitter. In order to allow participants to manage their orders, the market will remain in a pre-open state until further notice. Once the opening time has been determined, a further update will be issued. On Twitter, TMX said, new orders can't be entered and open orders can't be changed or canceled. TMX added that this is investigating the issue and will provide sufficient time to pre-open state for participants to manage their orders and prior to reopening. So the halt's around 1:50 p.m. Eastern. So it was about an hour ago, less than an hour ago actually. Before the halt, the TSX GSPTSE dropped. So the Toronto Stock Exchange dropped 324 points, or 1.9% to 16,717.44. Today, another down day for the global stock markets in the faces of fears of this right here. It was down even more earlier in the day. The Montreal Exchange has also placed a halt on trading. Wonder if they're having problems processing their orders. Please be aware that Montreal Exchange will halt trading on all equity derivative instruments and place all instruments in pre-opening state, it said in the statement posted on Twitter. Participants can cancel or modify orders. The TSX is down around 6.7% from its all-time high, closing high of 17,925.40 reached February 19. So this is by Jesse Baines, a senior reporter at Yahoo Finance. Follow him on Twitter. So this is a really good written article, and I've already read some of his stuff, and I love Yahoo Finance for this. They really kind of go out of their way and kind of make sure we kind of understand what is happening. They're going to have to report on this. As much as a lot of, the mainstream media does not want to report on this, they kind of have to, because people are going to ask what the heck is going on here, right? Why isn't this working? Why can't I place orders? Why is the market put at a halt? Well, I said this yesterday, and I said it here, that they're going to put a hold up. They're going to put a halt on the markets because it's going to be just mass sell-offs. So, yeah, and VIX is up, like I said, too. Gold, right now, gold is still sitting around the 1650 market, like I said yesterday when I had lowered humongous. There's the TSX. The only thing that looks promising, like oil, look at oil, guys. Gas prices to go up soon when oil goes down. And the only thing that looks good is gold is not getting hacked to pieces. Look at gold, only down 2.3 cents from 1640. It closed in the Australian markets at 15. Yeah, it was it 16? Hold on, I'm looking at the wrong one. 1640. It closed yesterday in the Australian markets at 1650 something. So last night when we were live on Trends in the Housing Market, we were watching the Australian market before it closed. And there it is, guys. It's only down 2.3 points. It looks like people are safe havening to gold. I think you're going to see a huge movement in people moving into gold over time. It's just time. It's just time. Give it some time. And with the markets closing, it isn't. Look at that in comparison, right? Just nice upward swing in comparison. Cool. We're going to see a $2,000 gold. And there's people predicting a $2,000 gold with everybody moving to more safe havens, gold, junior miners, all that stuff, precious metals, all that stuff is just a better choice in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.